Welcome back to my channel Queen Vibes. Today I made crispy chicken pakora recipe. I have chicken to make the recipe. Add haldi and namak. Marinate chicken for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, put the chicken into a pan. Add ginger and garlic paste. Add green chili. Add red chili. Add zira. Add socadania. Add 1 cup of water. Cook the chicken until water is dry. Let's start. Chicken is half done. 1 cup of besan. Add namak and red chili. Add socadania and zira. Add lemon juice. Add water. Mix the mixture well. Add the mixture into the chicken. Marinate chicken for 30 minutes. Add oil in a pan. Heat the oil. Fry chicken until the color is brown. Subscribe my channel Queen Vibes for more videos. Chicken pakora is ready. It's yummy. If you like my recipe, then like, share, and subscribe my channel Queen Vibes.